Yeah, with the colder weather approaching, I'm going to have to let the duster cook in the sun several more afternoons to finish removing those tiny little wrinkles we had from putting the headliner in. Also too, check out those rallies. And then over here, here's our 70s throwback. Those are the wheel covers it wore when it was new. And then just coming in here real quick, you can see I got most of the wrinklage out just from leaving it in the heat with the windows rolled up. You can see she's looking nice and clean in here. Come over here real quick, let me get a better shot. Yeah, just a little bit of wrinklage left. Not bad. Car's looking really good.